How to make money from your phone. There are many ways to make money from your phone, depending on your skills, interests, and availability. Here are some of the best ways to make money from your phone in 2023, based on the web search results. Start taking surveys. You can earn cash or gift cards by answering questions on various topics, such as your opinions, preferences, habits, etc. Some of the popular and reputable survey apps are MyPoints, iSay, and Survey Junkie. However, be aware that this method is not very rewarding and may require a lot of time and patience. Offload your extra stuff. You can sell your unwanted or unused items online and make some extra cash. Some of the apps that let you do this are Declutterer, Poshmark, Mercury, and OfferUp. You can sell anything from clothes, books, electronics, furniture, etc. Just take a photo of your item, upload it to the app, set a price, and wait for buyers. Snap some stock photos. If you have a good eye for photography and a decent camera phone, you can sell your photos to stock photo websites or apps. Some of the platforms that pay you for your photos are Shutterstock, Fope, Snapwire, and IM. You can earn royalties or commissions every time someone downloads or uses your photo. Tap into the gig economy. You can offer your services or skills to people who need them and get paid for it. Some of the apps that connect you to potential clients are Fiverr, Upwork, TaskRabbit, and Rover. You can do anything from writing, designing, web development, errands, pet sitting, etc. You can set your own rates and schedule. Get into sales or customer service. You can work as a sales representative or a customer service agent for various companies or brands. Some of the apps that let you do this are NextRep, LiveOps, Working Solutions, and IRAs. You can earn commissions or hourly wages by making calls, answering questions, resolving issues, etc. You may need some training or experience for this type of work. Invest in stocks and crypto. You can make money from your phone by investing in the stock market or cryptocurrencies. Some of the apps that let you do this are Robinhood, Acorns, Stash, and Coinbase. You can buy and sell stocks or crypto with low fees or no fees at all. However, be aware that this method is risky and requires some knowledge and research. Get a grip on your finances. You can also make money from your phone by saving money or managing your finances better. Some of the apps that help you do this are Mint, YNAB, Trim, and Rakuten. These apps can help you track your income and expenses, create a budget, cut down on unnecessary spending, get cash back on purchases, etc.